These are my fries. Fry. Copy and molly fry. So, nahanap ko yung isang albay na fry. Gamita. By the way, that's shrimp right there. See? So this is my stress reliever. Look, kahit ganyan yung tank ko, they look so healthy. That's a big fry. Malaki yung fry na to. Ang laki niya.